Good morning. Today we're going to be getting started taking care of a roofing issue that is a good example of just because the shingles are new, the roof may still not be functional. These customers had the front section of their roof replaced. It's a steep roof. We've got two big cut-in chimneys. The roofer decided that spray painting the existing flashing was going to be sufficient to stop these leaks. We're not sure what we're going to find underneath, but the homeowner told us it had been leaking literally the first time it rained. The contractor they had hired neglected to call them back. So today what we're going to do is strip everything off around the chimneys down to the bare decking, see what we find. We're going to use plastic roofing cement to seal the decking to the chimney. We see a lot of water wicking on chimneys like this. After we've done that, we're going to put a full width ice and water shield around both chimney surrounds. We've got some custom L metal bent, nice 10-inch metal that's going to take care of all the messiness and the potential for water getting pushed up over the flashing. Re-shingle it and this part of the roof won't leak anymore. I'll keep you posted as the job develops. And thank you for watching.